Meet the new M230LF, America's 30mm chain gun system. The M230 is a remarkable piece of engineering that's played a pivotal role in modern military technology. Moreover, the M230 has emerged as a defining weapon in the context of the global war on terror. Mounted beneath Apache gunship helicopters, it's provided crucial fire support to U.S. troops across various theaters of combat engagement. The M230 is a single-barrel, externally powered, electrically fired, chain-driven weapon. It fires 30mm linkless ammunition at a cyclic rate of around 625 rounds per minute, making it a formidable force on the battlefield. This larger caliber allows it to deliver a more powerful punch and effectively penetrate targets. With a projectile muzzle velocity of 805 meters per second, it boasts an effective firing range of 1,500 meters and a maximum firing range extending up to 4,000 meters. The M230 is capable of firing lightweight 30mm rounds, M788 target practice, M789 high-explosive dual-purpose, M799 high-explosive incendiary, used by the U.S. Army, which are distinct from the 30x113mm rounds used in the Aden and DEFA cannons. The M789 ammunition is a primary tactical round for the Apache AH-64 helicopter, known for its precision and minimal collateral damage. The M799 round is not used due to safety concerns. Regarding ammunition capacity, the Apache can carry up to 1,200 rounds. Loading this ammunition into the AH-64D Longbow Apache is handled by armament personnel using an aircraft-mounted motorized loader and a dedicated ammunition handling tray.